Ninth Standard Economics First Lesson. The topic is Understanding Development. Under the Understanding Development, Perspectives, Measurement and Sustainability. This is the topic. Now we'll see about development. The word development is refers to the progress of a particular field or a particular person. Similarly, the economic progress of a country is known as economic development. So the progress is there, definitely development will be there in the country or in the life of person or particular field. Now we'll see different perspectives about development. Different perspective, it means different attitudes about development. Every human being has an ambition or desire of his or her own to achieve progress in life. Everyone have ambition to develop in their life. Similarly, we have ideas about how the country should progress. The ways to which the many goals for progress, it leads to development. If we have many goals for progress, definitely it keeps up the development. Development refers to the improvement in quality of life, such as higher income, better education, better health and nutrition, less poverty and more equal opportunity. Economic development refers to overall the growth of all sectors of the economy by adoption of new technologies. It means if we follow the new technological in the field of economic definitely the development will be there in the country's economical development. Now, indicators of economic development. So, what are the major indicators of the economical development? It means net national product, per capita income, purchasing power parity, and human development index. Net national product (NNP) is considered as a true measure of national output. It is also known as national income. For countries' development, income is considered to be one of the most important factors. Countries with a higher income are considered to be more developed. So, if the income is more for the country, definitely the country is economically more developed. Now, per capita income, PCI. The average income is calculated by dividing the country's total income by its total population. Country's total income, PCI, is equal to country's total income by total population. Now, purchasing power parity, PPP. Purchasing power parity is defined as the number of units of a country's currency required to buy the same amount of goods and services in the domestic market as $1 would buy in the US. Human Development Index, HDI. Human resource is necessary for the progress of any country. Human resource development means development of a person's physical and mental abilities through education, health care and training. So human resource development, it means development of a person's physically, mentally and their education, health caring and training. It all comes under the human resource development. If it is all, it is in the country or the person, particular persons or the people. So that is called as human resource development. Sustainability of development. Sustainable economic development means development without damaging the environment and not compromising with the needs of the future generation. Now, natural resources. Natural resources are two types, that is, renewable resources and non renewable resources. Renewable resources are replenishable, that is, replenishable resources, that is, if you use the resources, definitely you can get it back again and again. So this is called as renewable resources, and this is pollution free and environmental friendly. These resources take a short time for renewal. Example: solar energy, wind energy, water, wood, paper. Now, non renewable resources. It means if we use this energy, definitely you cannot get it back. If it get it back also, it takes millions of years for formation of these resources. This is called as non renewable resources. Examples: metals, glass, fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, natural gas, diesel.